Sir, a lot of residents want to be fit, but due to their hectic schedule, they are struggling a bit. So,
I was a resident. I never did fitness, ऐसे exercising and all. थोड़ा बहुत walk करते थे. That time also I would revise my notes in my head. अकेले चलता था.
अभी ना
जाओ
जाओ
छोड़
छोड़
के
के
कि
कि
दिल
दिल
अभी
अभी
भरा
भरा
नहीं.
नहीं. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Lipi Mittal, cataract and refractive surgeon from Center for Sight, Palwal, Haryana. Welcome to Eye Conversations with Dr. Nikhil Nasta. Sir is a prolific surgeon from Mumbai. Sir, can you tell us something about yourself?
So I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta and I'm the founder and CEO of Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. It's multi-speciality eye hospitals at Mumbai. I have 3 centers and yes, that's long story short.
Amazing. 3 centers in Mumbai, an ophthalmologist, a fitness freak, and a social media influencer as well. Sir, how do you manage it all?
So I think bachpan se as doctors we know that we are creative people. You can't restrict us and put us in a box. So besides the surgeries that we do, we are also inclined to be healthy and towards creativity. So the social media influence comes from that case. Spread the word, spread a good message, and the fitness, of course. If you're healthy, then your patients also look at you nicely and you're fit to do work better.
Sir, a lot of residents want to be fit, but due to their hectic schedule, they are struggling a bit. So, what do you recommend to them? Like, how do they find time in between their duties and work schedule?
So when I was a resident, I never did fitness, ऐसे exercising and all. थोड़ा बहुत walk करते थे. That time also I would revise my notes in my head. अकेले चलता था. That was my fitness, and it was more of diet. All the fitness happens once you're already established. You have no more other commitments. Then we get time to ourselves. You come into a set routine. So every morning before going to work, I do it. But residency में मुश्किल है.
So, as we see your social media profiles as well, you're fire on social media. What I would like to ask is, a lot of people, especially young ophthalmologists, are nowadays into content creation. So, anything that you would like to recommend to them, what kind of content they can make, or what new they can do while pursuing their fellowship or residency?
So I think if you put out journey stories, it's very, very helpful because there are people like you who need a role model. So if you're just putting a day in the life of or something about your struggles, also talk about failures, things that go wrong because सारा अच्छा glamorize नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be authentic, it should be real. And about my content, I post a lot of explainer videos. I post a lot of actual trivia about the eyes. क्योंकि if you see on Insta, बहुत सारा information is from non-authentic people. Just somebody random आज मूड हुआ बना लेते हैं. So we can give you the credible information. So we should put our voices out there.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Sir, anything that you would like to recommend to our young ophthalmologists and YOSI members?
Uh, when I was younger, I didn't have access to so many things. I am pre-Facebook era, pre-Instagram, of course. So you guys have access to all the things at the press of a button, but it's like you have a buffet. So choose the right buttons to click, direct your mind towards the correct sources, use them wisely, and put out better content like that. उसमें बहक मत जाइए आप.
So, if you have to explain YOSICON International 2026 in 3 words, what would they be?
Inspiring, promising, and the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you for for watching Eye Conversations with Dr. Nikhil Nasta. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Lippy, now I am going to grill you. You grilled me enough. So,
Oh
two
no.
things. I want one song for YosiCon 2026.
One song that describes YOSICON.
Yes.
This YOSICON, the new team is going to take over. This is the last term, so I think I'm quite nostalgic about the previous term. So the song would be Abhi na
जाओ
jao
छोड़
chhod
के
ke
कि
ye
दिल
dil
अभी
abhi
भरा
bhara
नहीं.
nahi.
And one hook step.
Hook step. Okay. We'll do Salman Khan, Oh Jaan Jaan.
हाँ चलो
Okay.
1
One,
2
two,
3
three,
start.
start.
ओ
Oh
ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम. More power to you.
Yo, Yossi.